there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to dive into the latest tech news and highlight the Google Pixel Watch 3. So, let's get started. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is a fantastic device that offers a wide range of features, making it a must-have for tech lovers. One of the most exciting new additions to this integration, which allows users to easily switch between the Google and Fitbit apps. This seamless integration makes it a breeze to keep track of your fitness goals and monitor your health. The Google Pixel Watch 3 also boasts a sleek design and a user-friendly interface. Its easy-to-use features make it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade. Plus, with the new Fitbit integration, you can now use the watch's built-in GPS to track your runs and workouts, making it even more versatile. In addition to its user-friendly interface and Fitbit integration, the Google Pixel Watch 3 also offers top-notch features like its impressive battery life. With up to 24 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can enjoy all the watch's features without worrying about running out of power. Overall, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is a fantastic device that combines style, ease of use, and top-notch features. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, then the Google Pixel Watch 3 is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kevin the Tech, for more tech news and updates. Until next time, happy tech hunting!